Hi, I'm Nunu, and welcome to Too New For You, or so it seems. So today is day of Vlogmas, and today I'm going to be doing a pattern review. So the pattern review is going to be for Butterick's B6534. Do you have this pattern? Would you give it a try? I love this pattern. I liked it so much, I went and bought it again when I already had it at home. One thing that I do now that I didn't before, I used to keep my patterns in an envelope, and I used to keep them in a folder. So I feel like when you have them in a folder, you don't really know what patterns that you have, you know? So I don't keep them in a folder anymore. I keep them in my envelope like these. So that way I know I can kind of shift through them quickly and see which patterns that I have. It's just an idea. Now, back to the pattern review. So for the pattern, it says easy right on it, easy and fast, directly on the envelope. So this is a very, very easy pattern to sew. If you're a brand new sewist, I would definitely recommend getting this pattern. You can give it a try. You're gonna love it. It's easy to sew. The directions are easy to follow. It's not a whole lot of pattern pieces. So I would definitely recommend you give this pattern a try. And if you do give it a try, let me know how your project turns out. I would love to see it. So I got this pattern with intentions of doing view A for my guy. So let me show you how view A turned out. Let me bring out my motto, Midnight 30. Do you watch All the Queen's Men? You know, Midnight the character? This is brother, Midnight 30. Cover that up because I don't know what's going on YouTube. I don't want no problems, okay? So this is how it turned out. What I did was color block the front panel just to give it a little bit more dimension, because I felt like if I had did it in all black, you know, it wouldn't have popped. So I feel like with the African print in the front, I feel like it gave it a little bit more pizzazz. And then I feel like his jacket, it was all, you know, the same pattern. So it kind of, you know, it kind of washed it out a little bit. So, but this is how it turns out. I just got to finish the collar, and then I'm going to gift it up for my guy. And hopefully he likes it. So the next size that I chose to do was D for the lady. I did D, and then I did C. But I didn't really like how straight and narrow it was. It was kind of like, you know, straight. So when I did mine, I made it flare out. So that's an easy hack that you can do to a pattern, just to make it flare out. So let me show you what I mean by that. So the jacket got like a little flare to it. So I'm going to try it on for you so you can see, and I'm going to style it for you so you see how it turned out. And then the pants turned out really nice and really cute. And then I made a bonus piece. I made a little bustier with the pattern. I mean, I had so much of it. I ended up getting a fabric bundle from Move Fabrics, and they sent me like 6 yards of this fabric. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna make a jacket, the pants, the top, the bra. I might even make some socks. No, I'm just playing. I ain't gonna make no socks, but I still got a lot of fabric left. So this was a nice pattern, okay? So now I'm just going to go ahead and put this on so I can show you how it turned out. And then you just let me know down in the comment section, is it too much? It's too loud? I mean, I know it's a loud pattern, but I like loud fabric. You know, it stands out. People remember you. Or at least I think they do. So let me know down in the comment section, what do you think of this review? And also stay tuned for day 8 of Vlogmas.
Yes, I give this pattern an A+, period.
Okay. So these are my earrings from last year. They're cute, right? I love them, but they broke, right? One of the balls came off on the other earring, and I was so upset. But then I thought about, like, you know what? It's kind of annoying. You know, they all in my ear. Bye. What I did was take this off, and I added a bobbin. Oh, now you want to be tough. I'm trying to get it off. Now I want to be tough. You weren't tough with the other one. Now you want to be tough. You talking to an earring. You know that, right? It's been a morning already. It's been a morning. But it's always going to be a morning. You know what I mean? It's always going to be a morning. It's always going to be obstacles. But you just got to keep going. Keep going. No matter what. Don't give up. Yeah, I'm gonna be your cheerleader today. I'ma be your cheerleader. Oh, I'm a singer. I ain't tell y'all. I be singing everything. My cousin be like, you always making a song out of something. I'm like, I know, right? That's my only problem. That's my only problem. That's my only problem. No. Okay, so let's get the earring figured out. Okay. Now let's put them on. With my ear open. Speaking of earrings, I want to get my nose pierced. You think I'm too old to do it? I feel like I'm having a midlife crisis. I don't know. My little sister was living with me, her and her baby, her and my niece, and they recently left. So now I'm just so empty. So I'm like, what do I do with myself? Anywho, how do you like my earrings? I'm bobbing on the reef. How they turned out. Are they too new for you? I think so. And Papa, and Papa, and Papa, and Papa, and Papa, and Papa, and Papa.